So now let's see how we can work around with scale to frame size option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here, I'm going to go around and add media right here and go to files and folders. And I'm going to go around over here onto video right here just like this and bring in this particular video. So you can see that I can go around and add in this video right here just like this. I'm going to go around over here as well, and I'm going to drag in this video now right here, which is of different size, and keep that in over here just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So you got this particular footage and this particular footage, which is of different size. So by default, scale to frame size is turned on. So if I want to turn it off, then I can simply right click over here just like this, and then I can go around onto clip, and scale to frame size is on. So if I were to turn it off, you can see that it is much more larger. So you can see that this is the original video footage right here. And if I were to go around over here onto clip, you can see scale to frame size is turned on. So once you turn this off, nothing happens. That is because the video composition is based on the resolution of this video, which is SD, while this is a 4K video, and you can see that it is much more larger right here. So if I want to go around and adjust it out onto the exact position, or if the scale to frame size is not turned on by default, then you can simply go around and choose scale to frame size. Then you got the edges right here. You can pull these out right here to just match it out just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and create a new project, let's say for example, so let's just go around onto new project right here. Let's just replace this out right here and then add in a media from files and folders. Now I'm going to go around and take this video right here and drag it out over here onto video one just like this. So now you can see that this is here as well. So you can see that scale to frame size is here, but if I were to turn it off, it doesn't change much. That is because now the composition is 4K. So if I were to go around over here and bring in this video footage now, which is of much lower resolution, bring it in, and by default scale to frame size is turned on. But if I were to go around and turn off the scale to frame size, you can see the comparison of the resolution of this to this right here. And that is how the scale to frame size works inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.